So in today's lecture, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to optimize your channel for views. There's a lot of secret ways that a lot of YouTubers know and a lot of people actually don't know how to make your actual channel blow up just from having the best channel optimization. There's little places where you guys can add tags. There's even ways you guys can set up your channel to make it just kind of around your niche. That way when you guys upload, it will already be in the algorithm, so you guys will basically have a ton of videos blowing up just from you optimizing your channel the correct way. Start on optimizing your channel. The best thing to do is to head over to the Creator Studio, the classic one, and then once you guys go down to your channel, you want to go over to Upload Defaults. Now, on the upload defaults, there's not a lot of things that you need to do, but there are some very key important steps that you guys need to take so that when you guys upload a video, you'll automatically be set to be in the algorithm of your niche. So basically you guys can see here, it's just a lot of stuff about ad breaks, video language, community contributions, caption certification, video statistics, all this stuff. By default, it should already be like this. So you guys should have it just like this. Now you guys can allow all comments, it's fine. You guys can also go ahead and pre-make a description, but I highly suggest not doing that. Do not pre-make a description and do not pre-make tags because every single video is different. Every single video will have something different about it. So you guys are going to want to do something for that specific video every time. You're going to want to change your descriptions and your tags unless you're doing a very similar video and you guys can go ahead and use it. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and pre-make a description, if it has like your social media accounts or it has a website that you like to basically just let people know that is yours, you guys can go ahead and put it here as well. You guys can do that if you want to, but if you guys want to put like a description for a specific video, you will not do it here. Okay, so on upload defaults, you never put every single description here. Okay, you always do it on the actual video so that it's more personal for the video and actually helps that video do a lot better, especially if you're speaking about that video. Okay, so the title, like I said, you guys never want to do this here. You don't want to do a default title, and here on the license, you just want to do a standard issue license or YouTube license. It's all here. I'm not too sure what Creative Commons attribution is, so I just keep it at standard YouTube license. Now, if you guys are in a specific niche, so say if you want to do a video about sports, you want to do a video about food, or you want to do a video about vlogging or how to do something, anything you guys want to do, all of those things are here. And this is one of the best ways you can optimize your channel for views, because if you guys are doing, say, a how-to and you guys upload that video and you guys don't have a category set, it's gonna make it even harder for somebody to find you in the search engine. When somebody searches up a video on how to make pizza, if you guys search up a video on how to make pizza and you don't have this category set on how to, then when you guys actually put that video up, it's gonna just make it a lot harder for your video to get views, if you understand what I'm saying. So you always wanna make it whatever your channel was about. So like I said, if it's a sports video, you have sports here. If you're teaching somebody how to do something, you wanna make to its how to and style. If you're making gaming videos, same here. Entertainment, education, all these things are here for you guys to go ahead and do. If your actual one isn't here, just choose something as close as possible, okay? So you guys can do that. And privacy, it could be public, but usually when you upload a video, you want to make sure it is privated. I'm not going to change this because I know that it's going to give me the option once it's uploaded to private, so you guys can do that as well. Now, the next thing you guys want to go to is advanced, okay? Now, advanced is where you guys are going to go ahead and add everything that you need to do about your channel. This is a very, very important place for you guys to optimize your channel, okay? So here in channel optimization, as you guys can see, I don't have any keywords because I deleted them to basically show you guys on how to basically do that, okay? So on this channel, David Omari, I teach you guys how to grow on YouTube and how to make money online. So on these channel keywords, I'm gonna basically put in here all the actual keywords that I need to put in. So you guys can go ahead and put how many words you guys want to do for keywords. I just put something simple. I'm probably going to go ahead and change it just for the sake of this video. On this course, I'm going to go ahead and just put something very simple, but you guys can put anything in this box that is related to your channel. Like I said, once you guys put these channel keywords, it's going to help the viewer know who you are. It's going to actually show them that this is a channel that I actually need to follow. This is something that is being suggested to me because this is something that I want to watch. You always want your videos to be suggested to people so that you can get more views and make more money. If you don't have channel keywords, you're probably going to make a video and your video is just not going to do well because it's going to be lost in the YouTube algorithm. It's not going to know which way to go. You have to treat the YouTube algorithm like a stream of water, okay? You want to go in the right stream or even a lane on the street. You're not going to drive in the slow lane if you're trying to get somewhere fast. You understand? So it's just like that. Put the keywords there on your channel so people can understand how your channel is and what your channel is about, and it'll help your videos grow in the actual search engine. I hope you guys now have a clear understanding of how to go ahead and optimize your channel for views. In the next lecture, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to optimize your videos for views. It's going to be a really great one, guys. I can't wait to see you there.